Well, good afternoon teman Pro 2. Welcome back to English Corner with me, Iren Amora, and my partner.
Hey, I'm Tris Mallory. Listen us to know the word more. Kakak Iren, how are you today?
How do you do?
How do you do?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yes, hope also for teman Pro 2
Yes.
is always in good conditions.
Condition.
Yeah. Because Kakak Iren,
Yep.
the weather is too hot and it's can cause many diseases. So
Yep.
we have to what's that? Take care of yourself, yeah.
And healthy. Okay.
Stay healthy.
Is it our topic hot also? With the
Of
weather?
course. No, not related to the weather, but we have one topic that we maybe it is useful
Yeah.
for those who want to have a holiday in
Holiday in
Bali.
Bali.
Yeah,
Yay.
and for you, maybe this is your first time want to travel or holiday in Bali. We will serve you guidance, yeah, how to travel in Bali, because some. We know some news, recent news said that many tourists or foreigners who come to Bali, kind of not obey the regulations, the custom that what is that? Our traditions in Bali, so that we will serve you some information, guidance, how to have a safe and then nice holiday in Bali.
Yes, because it's very important to you, when you come to Bali. So, what is that? Don't go away. Still in English Corner.
Listen us to know.
Teman terbaik kamu, Hit Music Station Pro 2. Yuk dengerin via web streaming rri.co.id. Teman terbaik kamu.
Pro 2 FM, teman terbaik kamu. Besti, congrats ya usaha kuliner baru kamu. Semoga lancar dan sukses.
Thank you my best. By the way, bantu aku promosiin usahaku dong. Di mana ya?
Di radio aja gimana?
Emang masih zaman ya?
Jangan salah, di RRI Singaraja promosinya gampang. Udah canggih pula, bisa didengerin via streaming dan aplikasi RRI Playgo. Sosmed mereka juga update. Gampang lah, itu biar aku aja yang urus.
Sudah kamu. Makasih ya.
Sama-sama. Tapi sekarang aku boleh dong nyobain makanan kamu.
Ya ampun, lupa. Ya. Sini. Promosi usaha di RRI Singaraja aja yuk. Info lengkap hubungi Dewa 081 547 068 06 atau Asri 081 558 364 729. Teman terbaik kamu.
Pro 2 FM, teman terbaik kamu.
Teman Pro 2, jangan ganti frekuensi ya.
Sore ceria, bikin sore kamu lebih berwarna. Pro 2, teman terbaik kamu. Single terbaru RRI Produksi.
English Corner.
Listen us to know the word more.
Yes, teman Pro 2. Today we have we will serve you about what we have said before, a cultural guide. How you have to, what is that? Can be said get closer to our customs or traditions. Actually not for you to visit Bali only, but when you come to another place, you have to obey or know how's the people tradition there, so that when you spend your time or holiday there, you will can enjoy it without break the rules, something like that, or maybe it can be said as break the as criminality kan. That's why we will talk about the guidance or how you how to know the customs or the
custom
tradition in
of
Bali,
Balinese tradition.
because we know Indonesia has several culture
Culture,
traditions. Bali also, because even though we are the majority is the Balinese
Balinese,
people, but we also have various people lived here.
Yes, that's
Different background, religions. We have several. Even though we are Balinese, but in each place
Place,
have own tradition, custom.
Regency also, yeah. Like
Every-
languages,
Yes,
yeah.
languages.
Ceremonies, yeah.
Which is a difference from one to another. So that's why we will serve how we conduct our custom, or maybe our tradition, religion, ceremony. Okay, we start from the custom and tradition, and also Bali etiquette.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So, is it teman Pro 2, you should know that in Bali, approximately 90% of the population of Hinduism known as agama Hindu Dharma.
Yeah.
So alongside this region, tradition and custom play a role too. So the tourists should take a moment to learn what is considered appropriate before they visit. So this is the important is for a number of reasons, because by being clued up about Balinese culture, Pro 2, you will avoid offending any locals, and also you enrich your trip to the island, especially to Bali. Yeah,
That's true. So this is the guide, culture guide. The first maybe about the traditional Balinese clothing. This is some we will found these rules when you come or enter what is that? The
Temple.
holy places in Bali, like temple, how we have to wear clothes, or our what's that? Polite clothes,
dress up.
Dress up. This is how the dress code that has been passed down through generation, and this is many items clothing that symbol like the meanings. For example, men. We will talk one by one.
Okay.
Because between men and women in Balinese, women and men have different clothes, traditional clothes. Maybe from Kakak Iren, how the men in Bali wearing the traditional clothes.
Okay, when for men is wearing safari shirt, is it white, especially white color, and with a color pocket, especially for goes to temple, if the man go to the temple. And what about the woman is wearing kebaya,
Balinese kebaya, this is traditional attire for women. And then also comprising a sarung and less blues.
Not only safari, but the man also wearing udang,
You know udang here, put on a hat.
A hat covering, and it's for religious ceremonies, and also kaman, a sarung style.
Or sarung.
Sarung,
In Java, maybe we know as sarung.
And then
and also some why the color is mostly white
and yellow,
because it symbolizes as purity,
that's
cleanliness, and usually you maybe see some Balinese women put the flowers on the ears, the yellow frangipani flowers in their hair as symbol of Lord Shiva.
Okay.
And also, tourists are not required to adhere or strict dress code in Bali. Yes, and this is that customary to cover your shoulders and then knees like that if you want to be respected within the cultures. Also, is that you should wear modest and then comfortable, loose-fitting clothing as a sign of cultural respect. Yeah.
Yes, for especially when you entrance the temple, yeah.
Because maybe we can say that Bali has hot weather. Some of them who visit Bali want to what's that enjoy the summer sunbathing. But for some areas in Bali, especially holy places, we cannot wearing what's that casual summer
Casual.
clothing, or a sexy dress, something like that.
Okay, because like when you what is it look at,
Yeah.
Chris, also
Melukat means we take shower
Yeah.
in temple,
Temple,
to purify our
to
mind and body.
also should wearing a sarong,
Yes,
even
that's-
though not wearing kebaya for women on safari, but should wearing sarong, when you
It's a must,
entry,
yeah.
for the go to temple and etc. The holy places in
Yes.
Bali.
Yes, usually if you maybe can do not bring any sarung, usually in that place already available, something like that, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So and we will still maybe this is still related to our tradition or customs that related to holy places, or maybe about the places of worship, for
What is that?
visitors, or maybe for women who in period,
Period,
or
period time,
menstruations, when visiting temples or holy places or worship in Bali are not permitted or banned. Do not enter that places.
Places. Okay. So they
Because
should
why?
wait it,
Why? This is the reason behind, because menstruation is still a taboo and people are not considered clean and pure during this time. That's
Okay.
why it's not permitted. Yeah.
Yeah. We call chuntake.
Yes,
yeah?
Chuntake in Bali, we said that. So it's considered as still, not clean, dirty. So when we want to enter the holy places of worship, we have to clean our body and also our mind, so that we can worship in a good condition.
Condition. Yep. So
Okay, another custom. What's that? Guidelines.
the guidelines,
Yeah,
to
wait.
when you go to Bali.
We'll
We'll talk later.
Yes.
Teman Pro 2. So
After this.
Okay.
Teman terbaik kamu.
Pro 2 FM. Teman terbaik kamu.
Buat listrik rumah kamu menjadi boros. Nyetrika di malam hari. Sering buka tutup kulkas. Nyalain pemanas dispenser terus-menerus. Nyuci baju pakai mesin cuci sedikit-sedikit. Nyalain lampu di siang hari. Dan kebiasaan sering lupa gak nyabut colokan yang lagi nganggur. Ayo lebih bijak dalam penggunaan listrik di rumah.
Kamu lagi dengerin bikin sore kamu makin berwarna. Pro 2 Singaraja, teman terbaik kamu.
Well, teman Pro 2, we still talking about what is that?
guidelines,
Guidelines, for foreigners when come to Bali.
That's
So what we will talking about?
Yes, the beside the was that we have talk about customs and tradition Bali etiquette. No, we will talk about the traditions in Bali when people here or Balinese go to the market, traditional market. What they do usually, So when you are visiting traditional Balinese market, it's common to negotiate the price,
price.
because what's that? When the price is not maybe too expensive for us, we can bargain,
Yeah.
bargain.
What about to
What?
Murah.
Oh,
That's too cheap, yeah. It's
too many
bargain
cheap.
again.
Can be if you think that the price is reasonable, yeah, so you can stop to bargain the
bargain,
price.
yeah. Okay.
Okay, yeah, that's usually what's that? We do, yeah, in traditional market.
Yep.
Is it important not to raise your voice or lose the temper?
Yeah.
What's that? Sabar.
Yeah. Be
During the
kind.
negotiation, yeah, because sometimes the seller is give us the highest price, yeah, Kak Iren.
Okay.
Okay, and then also we this is the other that's the important things when you come to Bali.
Yep.
And you will find it especially for what's that who visitors who like drinks, yeah, because Bali also produce our alcoholic drink, yeah.
Yep.
Our
Traditional
own
form.
traditional alcoholic drink called arak Bali.
Okay.
Yeah, arak Bali. We usually bars openly serve alcohol in Bali. Yeah, and also local shop also sell a selection, including imported beer and wine. And also, if you want to taste another, you
Right.
want to try another taste of alcoholic drink, you can try arak because our governors is what is that already make the arak Bali as a legal drink for us Balinese, yeah. So if you want to try, you can maybe compare with another alcoholic drink, yeah, that you've ever taste, for example wine or beer, yeah. And also then we will talk about the how we Balinese people, yeah, eat what is it?
What is it?
Eating
Eating
in Bali,
in
yeah,
Bali.
how in what's the commonly, yeah, in Bali locals eat with their hand,
What is
right?
it? Hand,
Hand right hand.
Right hand,
Yeah, you should avoiding to eat or drink using your left hand, yeah.
Okay.
As this is a traditional use for the bathroom and also unclean, considered as unclean. That's why this rule also extend to passing items to another person. For example, I give you something to Kakak Iren and also money, for example. Example ya Kakak Iren.
The real
So-
one, please.
This is just example.
Okay.
Not the real. Yes, everything should be exchanged using the right hand.
Yes,
And
and
hand, not using
no,
avoiding using a left hand.
left, yeah, or all is what is it? By right hand. Okay.
hand.
And also teman Pro 2, when you come to Bali, when you visit to Bali, you will what is it? Find that there are so many flower, yeah. It's called canang sari, like that, yeah.
Yeah.
In our Balinese culture, and you don't shock because there are so many, yeah. When in statue,
Yes.
in what is it? Maybe
And
in
tree, big
yeah,
tree on some
also
of the
in
road,
yeah, okay.
everywhere.
Because it's called canang sari,
Yeah, okay. This is made from coconut leaves and then some flower on it, and some Balinese also put
Yep.
like candy or biscuit, something like that. Yeah, too.
Yeah,
as an offering.
candy, yeah, candy also, yeah, biscuit and yeah,
The offerings.
rice sometimes, yeah.
Yes, this is our traditions in Bali. This is like what is that? Our way to worship the God, and
Yeah.
also we call it
Thanks,
Trihita
yeah.
Karana,
Yeah.
the place we live, and also
Mm. as our it's to show that we are thank you, say thank you
Yes, thanks.
to what is it?
What is that? The existence of
God, yeah.
God
Manifest,
stronger and
yeah.
manifest, yeah.
Okay.
So that's why, and also
What?
not when we see the Canang Sari is usually is forbidden to step above that,
Step
not-
or jump it,
jump
yeah.
from we can avoid it,
Avoid
to
it.
try to take another way, don't pass it, something like that.
Okay.
To we believe that, ya Kakak Iren.
It's there is a soul over there, yeah, which when we put it Canang Sari, we believe that there is a soul of that, yeah, in statue there's soul of statue, so we
that's
pray for that. Okay.
And the last maybe about the language. Yeah. When we come to another place, usually we maybe kind of what's that? Culture shock. Maybe difference with our local language, our mother language. Yeah, when you come to Bali, you maybe found some words in Bali.
Yep.
Yeah, Balinese language. For example, for our formal welcoming words to visitor, we usually what's that? Welcoming them with greeting Om
Greeting,
Swastiastu.
Swastiastu.
While we put this the hand like this, and then say Om Swastiastu. That means hello in
Hello.
Bali, Is your palm together at your chest. This is the way we say hello to visitors, another people, And then also for goodbye. We usually said Rahajang Mumargi, something like that, And also thank you, we said it Matur
Matur
Suksma,
Suksma.
while smiling, don't forget. And you are welcome. Mewali.
Mewali,
Yeah, this is
okay.
the simple or the common words that we use in Bali. And we also have said or told about the religion in Bali, even though we are majority is Hinduism, but also there are several another religion in Bali, for example Muslim, and then Buddhist, Catholicism, and then Confucianism, and also Protestant, okay. We live in harmony in Bali because we
that's
respect,
right.
all religion or all belief. We live in harmony. something like
In
that.
harmony and peace, yeah.
So,
okay.
if you want to come to Bali, don't forget to maybe respect all traditions, our tradition, our local customs, something like that, so that you can really, really enjoy or enchanting your
Holiday in Bali.
while you're in Bali.
Okay, well, Tris, the time is up.
Yeah, that's me. We have to say goodbye to you, teman Pro 2, but don't forget listen to in English Corner next week.
So,
It's
I
time for us.
am Mirana Mora.
And Tris Mallory, say goodbye. See you next
Bye.
week. Bye.
Thank you.